Hey, Brian here once again, and I want to share with you some of the major benefits of one of the most popular strategies that we talk about here at the Elevation Group, and it's called Elevation Banking. Now, this is a strategy that thousands of our members have actually put in place in their lives to create wealth in their own lives, but something else that I actually learned years ago. I went on a journey and a mission to figure out how this works, and now we teach our members through some of our lessons and courses and experts how to utilize this. But there's some misconceptions out there about how it works, but also what does it actually do for you. And I want to share with you what it does for you because it is incredible. So, when you put your capital towards this strategy, a couple things it does. Day one, when you start this, day one, you have created legacy wealth, and it's done tax-free. So imagine creating generational wealth day one that is guaranteed and is tax-free. That's incredible. The other thing it does is that when you put your capital towards it, you have guaranteed return on that capital, which is awesome. 401k, other strategies don't have that kind of guarantee. Additionally, you can create tax-free retirement for yourself. Tax-free, right? Because right now, if you're using a 401k, you'll be taxed in the future, but we have no idea what the taxes will be down the road. This strategy can provide a tax-free retirement plan. It'll blow a 401k, by the way, out of the water. It's that powerful. Also, what this does, if you have kids, you can use this strategy on your children, and they are going to get a guaranteed retirement for the future that is going to be 7 figures, and that when you get this started when they're young, it almost costs nothing. It's incredible how powerful this can be for that generation right there. So those are some of the major benefits of how this works. The other thing it can do is that you can have liquidity for things like investing or buying assets or cash flow assets, because like things like a 401k, they're not considered a liquid asset. This is a liquid asset that you can leverage to get assets that are actually going to give you cash flow and build even more wealth. You put your money into 2 places at the exact same time. That's how powerful this is. So if you want to know more, click the link below. There should be a link to one of the videos that we do where we talk about this strategy and other things we do at the Elevation Group. So click that, grab that video, and I'll see you there. Take care.